everybody, this is Kathy from Cats I'll Create, no longer Kathy from Cats I'll Create. So, as you guys saw I did a community post, I changed my name. Yes, I changed my YouTube name to Kathy Creative Crafts and More. And I have been wanting to change my name for a long time. It's been over a year since I've been wanting to change my name, and I just didn't have the courage to change it because my previous name was both of my children's first initials, or first two initials in their names, and their middle letter was, or the middle letter on my name was their last name. So I finally changed it to me, so I feel like it's a little bit more personal. I am more with you guys, so it's a more personal one-to-one, I think. Anyways, so I hope you guys like this view. I just did some grocery shopping for my mama, and I am on my way home. I did stop at Dollar Tree, so you guys, I found some amazing finds. They just put some Valentine's things out, and I wish I could show you all of this right now, but I do know that Wandy from oh my gosh, I don't know Wandy's channel name. She did a haul, and some of the items are similar to what she got. So, and everybody's doing the DT haul right now, so you guys, it's mostly the same thing that you guys see right now, but I'll try to do a DT haul when I get a chance. So anyways, thank you everybody for watching, and hopefully you guys my new channel name, and it is again Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. So I just got to get used to saying it now. So thank you guys for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.